Hello students, welcome back to our SPI online class. Today we are going to discuss about network architecture and network devices. What is network architecture? The procedure which is used to share data among the computers in the network is known as network architecture. Network architecture can be divided into two categories. Number one is peer-to-peer network and number two is client-server network. Then we will discuss about peer-to-peer network. Its another name is point-to-point network. It provides a dedicated link between two devices. The entire capacity of the link is reserved for transmission between those two computers. There are three figures of peer-to-peer network. In the figure number 1, two workstations are connected through transmission medium. In the figure number 2, a server computer is connected to a workstation through transmission medium. In the figure number 3, two workstations are connected through satellites. So, peer-to-peer network system can be used for sharing data between two devices. Now, we will discuss about client-server network. The network system where one or more than one computers are connected to a powerful computer is known as client-server network. The main powerful computer is the client-server network is known as server, and the computers which are connected to server computer are known as clients. Then we will discuss about node. What is node? Node is a device that is attached in the network. There are two types of nodes, end nodes and intermediary nodes. End nodes are the nodes those are to be going to the starting point of communication or ending point of communication. The example of end nodes are computer, security camera, printer, etc. What is intermediary nodes? Intermediary nodes are the nodes those are used to forward data one node to another node, such as switch, bridge, router, etc. Then we will discuss about network devices. Network devices are the units that mediate data in a computer network and also called network equipments. The network devices will be discussed one by one. At first, hub. It stands for Hyper Utility Base. A hub is a connecting device which connects multiple computers together to form a LAN. LAN means local area network. All incoming data packets received by the hub are sent to all hub ports, and from there the data is sent to all the computers connected in a hub network. Then switch. A switch is a networking hardware that connects devices on a computer network to establish a local area network. What are the differences between switch and hub? Switch sends data exact MAC addresses, whereas hub sends data all nodes. MAC address means media access control, is the physical address of the computer that is in network. Second point is switch does unicasting, multicasting and broadcasting based on necessity, but hub always does broadcasting. Hub has no memory, but switch has memory and stores MAC addresses table. Then repeater. The data signals generally become too weak or corrupted if they tend travel a long distance. So repeater regenerates the signal over the same network. Then gateway. A gateway is a device which is used to connect dissimilar networks. Then router. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. If we want to connect two local area network, the router is required. Switch can connect network which are belong into same network, and solution for this is router. A router is connected to at least two networks, commonly two local area networks or wide area networks, or a LAN and its ISP network, means internet. What is the differences between switch and router? Switch forwarded decisions are taken by MAC addresses, whereas router forwarded decisions are taken by IP addresses. MAC addresses is the physical address of a computer that is in network system. IP address is stands for Internet Protocol, that is logical address of a computer that is connecting internet. Second point, switch is a LAN device, whereas router is LAN MAN one device. Then bridge. It is used for interconnecting two local area network on the same protocol. Protocol means set of rules that govern how to share data in the network. What is the difference between bridge and router? Bridge works on same protocols, whereas routers work on different protocol. Then we will discuss about modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. It is used to connect internet in a computer. Why modem is required? Because to connect internet in a computer, a telephone connection is required. Analog signal is used in telephone line, but digital signal is used in a computer. But computer does not understand analog signal, and telephone does not understand digital signal. That's why modem is used as an intermediate between computer and telephone, because modem can convert digital signal to analog signal, again convert analog to digital. Then we will discuss about Ethernet card. Ethernet card is also known as Network Interface Card, short from its NIC. It enables a computer to connect with a network using a port. Then we will discuss about multi-layer switch. It works at layer 2 as well as layer 3. Layer 2 and layer 3 is the layer of OSI model. It does the functionality as switch as well as router. Another device is router. It is a combination of bridge and router. So student, I hope you have understood all these things. Thank you.